Hi, my name is Sam and I am a librarian in the adult reference department. And today we're going to see what's in my bag. First thing in my bag is my water bottle that I fill up like 8 times a day because hydration is important. I also have my AirPods on my water bottle at all times because I go from work to the gym and it's very convenient. Very convenient. I like it a lot. Let's see. Oh, wait. I didn't even go and talk about my bag. Okay, first of all, it has books on it because I am a librarian and I feel like if something's going to be your personality, you should go all the way with it. I still even have the tag on it because it looks like a little old book card and I think that's adorable. So I'm never taking the tag off. I have my work badge in my bag. It also has a little button of my dog that I made at the first library I ever worked at when I was like a little page before I was a librarian. It also has this little pin that says, "I like big books and I cannot lie," because I think it's really funny.
Of course you think that's funny.
And then I have a fancy badge lanyard thing because I like butterflies and I think it's fun and it matches my tattoo, so I like it a lot. I have my iPad in my bag. I use it for literally 3 things. If I'm working on it, I use my Apple Pencil and I only do Cricut Design Space on my iPad, or I read books on Libby, or I play this game called Parking Garage where you have to move the cars.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
And that's the only 3 things I do on my iPad. But mostly read books. And then I have this iPad holder I bought for my bed so I can put it on my bed, and then I have a clicker to turn the page, and it is the height of relaxation. So yes, so the case I have on my iPad, it's a notebook. I was looking when I first bought it. Okay, so I bought the iPad thinking that I was going to do all my work on it because I got a full-time job. And then I had a month in between from when I bought the iPad to when I started work. So then I had too much fun doing personal things on it and it stopped being a work iPad. But I thought the notebook was cute. And I was like, oh, this would be perfect for work. And now I don't use it for work things, just fun things. But I think it's still adorable. I have my handy dandy planner that I forget to write things in. It is an 18th month calendar because I hate at the end of Christmas season when it's the busiest. You have to transfer everything for January. So I got one that started in June to avoid that problem. And it worked out pretty well.
Why do you use a physical planner?
Why do I use a physical planner?
Why do you choose to use a physical planner versus a digital planner?
I use a physical planner because I feel if I hand write something that I will remember it, but if I just type it into my phone or the computer, I will not remember it. I know it gives you alerts and sometimes that's helpful, but I feel I'm just old-fashioned. Even when I was going to library school, I would physically write out all the PowerPoints to help me remember. So I don't know, maybe it's a muscle memory thing. I have my little wallet because I have 2 wallets. I have a big one that I keep in my regular purse, and then this one just has my license and my credit card in it for when I'm going out or I'm just going to work quick and I don't need to bring every gift card and credit card and mini thing that I own. It's very convenient. It fits on my wrist. I have 6 different wristlets that I change in and out. It's a good gift for your girlfriend. We love wristlets. Oh. I have my glasses.
How do you even know you wore glasses?
I don't have to wear them all the time because they are for distance because I have a little astigmatism at nighttime. So I see the lines in the lights. So I only have to wear them at nights if it's raining and it's really bad. But I feel if I put the glasses on, I look completely like a librarian. And then, so I just don't wear them because I feel again, I did literally just say to make something your entire personality, but I feel the glasses are too much.
So the glasses are going over the line.
Yeah, the glasses are over the line. Like, I like being a librarian, but the glasses are a little too much. But they're cute. I like them. Sometimes. Oh, okay, I want to talk about this. In hindsight, this is a boring little pouch. I just keep like random like Tylenol, girly things, makeup stuff, like that's what I keep in here. But I made this at the library. So in addition to being an adult librarian, I also work in the makerspace. And one of the items we have in the makerspace is a sewing machine. So I hand sewed this entire bag using the sewing machine. And you can too, if you make an appointment at the makerspace.
Now, how can patrons make an appointment at the makerspace?
Okay, so to make an appointment to come see me, my coworker DJ, or Peter and I in the makerspace, you would go to the services tab on the Brentwood Public Library, and then you'll see there is a section that says makerspace. You'll click there, you can read all about our policies, our machines, and then there is a form you can fill out to make an appointment. And then you can come visit us and create anything your heart desires. We have a sewing machine, we have a Cricut auto press, a regular Cricut maker, a mug press, a heat press. We just got a laser engraver that we're very excited to learn how to use. And then of course 3D printers and a resin printer. So come create with us. I have more projects that I made at the library because I throw everything into my bag. So this was a hand-sewn scrunchie that was actually a library take-home kit. It's basically just like a tube, and then you hand sew it, and then you tie it together with a little elastic, and then it's a beautiful little scrunchie that you can also come make in the makerspace. And then this was a program that I did in January. It is a DIY heat warmer. So it's basically just 2 pieces of fabric, and then you blanket stitch around the entire thing and fill it with rice. And then you can reheat it and use it as a hand warmer. I don't know, you have like a particular spot that's very tense. You just like put it on there, and it's like a mini little heating pad. And it's very convenient to have. I have my car keys. Just can't get anywhere without my car keys.
What do you have on your keys?
What do I have on my keys? I have this is my actual car key, how I get into my car. This is the tag from the dealership I never took off, even though I've had my car for a year.
You never took it off?
No, I don't know.
Is there a reason why you haven't taken it off?
I haven't taken it off because it was just, I don't know, never bothered me, so I just left it.
Okay.
I have the key to the safe in my house. I have 2 house keys, one for each lock. I have a library card from the Patchogue Medford Library, because I used to work there. My CVS pharmacy card, and my ShopRite Price Plus Club card, because I am secretly an old lady. What else do I have in my bag? I have my phone. That I don't really use during the day, but it is very convenient because it attaches to my watch, so I can answer my texts from my watch. And then I also see who I'm ignoring, so I like that as well.
Can you talk about the case you have on your phone?
On my phone, the case I have on my phone, it's just a plain glitter case. This is like my general boring case, and then like during Christmas, I have a very cute Christmas phone case that I switch in and out for. But this is just my basic everyday clear glitter phone case because I like the pink of my phone to show through.
Do you generally switch phone cases often or no?
Pretty much just for Christmas is when I switch my phone case because I'm a little obsessed with the season, I'm not gonna lie. But when I'm not Christmas crazy, I like pink. My things match. My nails are pink, my phone's pink, my water bottle's pink. Most of these books are kind of pink on my bag. Just my general theme, which is very ironic because as a child I hated the color pink. I thought it was too girly, but I've embraced my inner girly.
So that changed.
Yeah, no, that changed. That changed a lot. I have hand sanitizer. that came from my, how do you say it, alma mater, your old school, your old college.
Alumni?
No, I'm an alumni, but it's called your alma, whatever.
Oh.
I went to college at Long Island University, and their graduation gift was this little bottle of hand sanitizer. That's what we all got when we graduated, because it was like not in the middle of COVID, but it was a little bit like where when we had the vaccines, so we could gather outside but not inside. So at everyone's chairs, they gave us a mini hand sanitizer, and I just refill it because it's like the perfect bottle size for my purse. And then I have a Tide stick.
Yeah, I have a Tide stick.
I have a Tide stick because I am so messy. And every time I eat, I get it on myself. So sometimes you just have to know yourself. And you have to have a Tide stick on you at all times. I guess this is my last cute piece of things in my bag. So this is a Princess Diary themed notebook. I made it as a teen librarian. It was one of our programs. The entire program was very cute. We made pizza bagels and we wore tiaras. But in the movie, she has a journal. So we printed out a bunch of stickers from the movie, like little meme stickers, and put them on a notebook. And then I wrote my name on it.
Can you show us the back?
Yes, the back also has more stickers. It has the pizza with M&Ms on it, because they do that in the movie. Let's see. No, and to make you feel inferior without your consent. We don't schlump like this. That's another good one. Let's see. This one is catch a falling star and put it in your pocket and save it for a rainy day. They're all very cute. My favorite is on the front though. My favorite one is just in case I'm not enough of a freak already, let's add a tiara, because adding a tiara makes everything better. I think it has a cult following because Anne Hathaway is in it, and I think she is very good. And then it also has like the legend herself, Julie Andrews, in it, who, if you like musical theater, if you are a true musical theater nerd like myself, you're obsessed with her. And like, it's a princess movie. Like, it's a princess movie that's not a cartoon. I think that's like one of the big things too.
I get it.
And it reminds me of my childhood, so I like it. So this was what is in my bag. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow us on social media, check out our website, and follow us for the next video of what's in our bag.